uPeteres utshele ikhomishana ukuthi kungamampunge ukuthi uyabandakanyeka ekugwamandweni kwamandla ombuso.
I have never been influenced by anybody to either determine tenders. Both Mr. Molefe and later on probably Mr. Montana would indicate that I have never ever participated in processes, in tenders, in any of their establishments or even in ePRASA itself.
uPeteres utshele isicao ukuthi ngokomgomo weANC yakulula ukuthi usombusazwe alawule ukukhishwa kwamathenda eminyangweni kahulumeni.
It was the ANC government that consciously resolved that politicians should not participate in tenders. So why would I, being a politician, want to be in that particular space?
Lofakazi utshele usihlalo weKhomishana ukuthi akazi lutho ngokuxambukela kwalowo owayengumengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma ekutheni kubuyiswe owayeyisikhulu sakwaPRASA uLucky Montana emsebenzini.
Yes, there was a meeting on the 20th. And at that meeting, I never got the impression that there is a conscious decision by President Zuma that Lucky Montana or Mr. Lucky Montana must return to his position, which he had resigned from.
uPeteres waba ungqongqoshe wezokuThutha kuzwelonke ukusuka ngo2013 kuya ku2017. Isicao siyaqhubeka. NginguCalvin Dluhla wezindaba zeSABC.